What if your AI agent never guessed? Most developers just write a prompt, hit enter, and hope for the best. There is a better way, and it starts before you write a single line of code. Here's the real problem with agentic AI right now. When you give your agent a vague prompt, it fills the gaps with assumptions. It hallucinates requirements. It builds things you did not ask for. And every correction pulls you into a back-and-forth loop that kills momentum. Spec-driven development fixes this at the root. A spec file is a structured document that defines exactly what you want to build before you build it. It is not a design doc. It is not a README. It is a contract. You write it in plain markdown. Your agent reads it and executes against it. The spec defines your goal, your constraints, your edge cases, and your acceptance criteria. When the agent has a spec, it does not guess. It delivers. Here is the workflow in 5 steps. Step 1. Write the spec. Define what to build, what it must do, and what is out of scope. Step 2. Validate it with AI. Ask Claude to review the spec and surface any ambiguities before coding begins. Step 3. Pass the spec to your agentic coding tool and let it implement. Step 4. Verify the output against your acceptance criteria, not just does it run. Step 5. When requirements change, update the spec first, then rerun the agent. That cycle is the entire method. Let me show you how the full flow looks in practice. You write the spec, Claude reviews it for gaps, your agent implements from it, you verify against the criteria, and you ship. The 2 prompts that make this work are simple. For the review step, ask Claude to find ambiguities and edge cases you missed, and output a refined version. For the agent step, tell it to implement exactly what is in the spec file, nothing more. Those 2 constraints eliminate most of the noise. Now let us do this live together. Open your terminal and create a To-Do CLI directory and CD into it. Create feature.spec.md file and open it in your editor. Paste in the spec exactly as shown on screen. We are building a simple command line to-do manager. 4 commands: add, list, done, and delete. Node.js only, no external packages. Data lives in a local JSON file. The acceptance criteria tell us precisely what correct output looks like. And we have an explicit out-of-scope section. No due dates, no priorities, no colors. Notice what is not in this spec. No file names, no function names, no implementation details. We define what it does. The agent decides how. Next, in your terminal, inside the To-Do CLI folder, run Claude. When Claude Code is ready, give it this prompt exactly. Read feature.spec.md and implement exactly what is described. Do not add features not listed. Use only Node.js built-ins. Watch it read the spec, create todo.js, and scaffold todos.json. When it is done, verify each criterion one by one in your terminal. If any output drifts from the spec, do not reprompt with a correction. Go back to feature.spec.md, clarify the criterion, and rerun the agent. The spec is the source of truth, always. Three tools, that is the entire stack. For the spec, plain markdown. Structured, human-readable, and parsable by any agent. For the review step, Claude via Claude.ai or the API. Use it to find gaps before you build. For the build step, Claude Code or any agentic coding tool that can read your file system. And one pro tip, check your spec file into the same Git repository as your code. Version control your requirements alongside your implementation. 4 rules that make this method actually work. Rule 1, spec before prompt. If you cannot write it down clearly, you are not ready to build it. Rule 2, change the spec, not the prompt. When requirements shift, update the file first. Rule 3. Constrain the agent. Tell it explicitly what is out of scope. Unconstrained agents over-engineer. Rule 4. Verify against criteria. Reviewing the code is not enough. Check each acceptance criterion in the spec, one by one, the same way a QA engineer would. Build smarter. Spec first. Stop prompting and praying. Give your agentic AI a contract and ship with confidence every time. Like and follow for more Around Now stories.